Hi everyone, it's Christina Piccoli from ChristinaPiccoli.com, and I wanted to go through with you a review that I put up today. It's about viral dollars, and I wanted to find out, is viral dollars a scam? And after going through the program and checking it out, I could definitely say that yes, this one is a scam, unfortunately. Just a little bit about the program. They say that you can use your influence to make up to $500 today. They say that if you share your referral link, you can get $2 to $5 for every person that clicks, just clicking on your referral link. Now, this is something that really doesn't happen out there. It's just crazy. And they said that you can get $15 for anyone who signs up for your link. And they also say that they're going to give you a $25 sign-up bonus. This all sounds really awesome, and unfortunately, it's just, if sounds too good to be true, then it probably is, and this is definitely the case with this one. One of the biggest things that I noticed with the viral dollars is that even if you complete all the tasks that they ask you to do, you still are probably not going to get paid for it. Right here we have somebody that I found on Twitter who talked about viral dollars, and what they said is that they made all their referrals and everything they needed to do, and they still didn't get paid. What they seem to do is they tell you that your stats are fraudulent, and that's how they get away with not paying you. If you think she's the only one, unfortunately, that's not true. I posted a video of this guy who says he did get paid, but if you look through the comments of this video, you can see other people who have tried this system, and they said the same thing happened to them, that their stats were deemed fraudulent and then they weren't paid. So viral dollars is very similar to another program that I reviewed called Kids Earn Cash. I'll show that to you here. Kids Earn Cash and viral dollars, they both kind of work the same way. They get you to sign up by saying that it's free. They tell you that you can make easy money by just referring people. Or you can also do some different types of activities on their site. Let me see if I have that here. On the Kids Earn Cash, I actually went through and signed up and looked at the tasks. So you can earn money by doing these tasks on this task wall. The problem is that this is like one of those endless loops where you don't end up getting anywhere. You just have to fill out information, personal information about yourself, and it's just like this endless loop of scammy information. And every time you sign up for one of these, you're going to put in your email address and you're just going to get bombarded with different types of offers from all these companies. You can see it's like one of those sites where it's just not easy to get anything done. So viral dollars works exactly the same way. Kids Earn Cash and viral dollars are pretty much the same type of website. I think the real reason that these exist is just to get your information and to have you sign up for just to get your personal information. Now, I did read somewhere that these guys, they could take your personal information and sell it to either shady marketers or somebody on the black market who will buy your information from them. I also read, which is kind of scary, that they could use the information that you put in viral dollars and try to see if it's the same username and password that you use for other sites like Facebook or even your banking sites, and they can try to steal that information. So you just have to be really careful. We see this a lot in a lot of the reviews, but these fake testimonials, they're just actors and actresses from a site called Fiverr.com, and these people don't make money with any of these programs. They're just hired to pretend like they do. So here's someone who says that she did get paid. I tried to find her in Twitter, but I couldn't find her at all in there. So you know, it's possible that she got paid. Maybe they pay some people just to make it look good and they can post it on their proof page, but I couldn't find her in Twitter, so I don't know. So if you've already signed up for one of these types of sites, what you probably want to do is go through and change your username and passwords for other sites, especially if it's the same as what you put in Viral Dollars. Just be prepared to get a lot of spam messages in your email. Unfortunately, that's just something that you're going to have to deal with unless you start a new email address. It'll die down eventually, but it's just something that you'll have to deal with for a little bit. Here's another complaint that I saw from a company called scamguard.com, and this person said that they did everything they need to do to qualify, and by the way, you need to have $250 in order to qualify to get paid. And he said that he did that, and now they said that he was fraud. So again, they're just not paying out. And I also wanted to show you, so this is what, let's see, here it is. So this is the Viral Dollars website. You can see what it looks like. There's a bunch of different websites out there that do the same things, and they all kind of have the same look. They all have, you know, these 3 easy steps, make $500 today. They have proof, which is not really proof. So you can see here, Kids Earn Cash is a very similar looking site. So anytime you come across one of these types of sites out there, just be careful because they're probably all run by the same person or group of people. I'm going to continue to look for these types of sites and do reviews on them just to make sure that everybody is aware. And that is it for today. I hope this helps you. So my conclusion is definitely that Kids Earn Cash and Viral Dollars are definitely both scams, and you should probably stay away from those. I'm going to link down below my favorite place to learn how to make money online. It's through affiliate marketing, and the company that has taught me how to do everything is called Wealthy Affiliate, and I hope to do a video on my Wealthy Affiliate review also. So stay tuned for that. And that's it. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Thank you. See you next time.